Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of the 1983 USA 1-cent coin. Whether you're a seasoned numismatist or just starting your coin collecting journey, this video will provide you with an in-depth look at the value, rarity, historical background, and recent auction results of this unique coin. We'll also explore how you might find valuable 1983 pennies worth thousands of dollars. So, let's get started. Historical background. The 1983 Lincoln cent, commonly referred to as the penny, holds a significant place in American coinage history. To understand its importance, we need to look at the broader historical context of its time. Economic and social context. The early 1980s were a period of significant change in the United States. The country was dealing with the aftermath of the economic recession of the late 1970s and early 1980s. Under President Ronald Reagan's administration, the economy began to recover, experiencing growth and shifts in various economic policies. Minting and production. The 1983 penny was minted in two locations, Philadelphia, no mint mark, and Denver, D-mint mark. Each mint played a crucial role in meeting the nation's demand for 1-cent coins. The Philadelphia Mint, established in 1792, is the oldest mint in the United States. It's known for its extensive coin production capabilities and historical significance. The Denver Mint, established in 1906, is renowned for its high-quality coin production. Design and composition. The 1983 Lincoln cent features the iconic design by Victor David Brenner, which has been a staple of American currency since 1909. The obverse of the coin showcases a profile of Abraham Lincoln, while the reverse features the Lincoln Memorial, designed by Frank Gasparro, introduced in 1959 to commemorate the 150th anniversary of Lincoln's birth. The 1983 penny marked a significant change in composition. Prior to 1982, pennies were composed of 95% copper and 5% zinc. However, due to the rising cost of copper, the U.S. Mint transitioned to a composition of 97.5% zinc and 2.5% copper, with a copper-plated surface. The 1983 penny follows this new composition, weighing 2.5 grams, compared to the previous 3.11 grams for the copper pennies. Collecting and numismatic significance. For collectors, the 1983 penny is more than just a piece of currency. It's a snapshot of American history and a testament to the enduring legacy of Abraham Lincoln. Collectors value these coins not only for their historical significance but also for their design and craftsmanship. Rarity and varieties. Now, let's delve into the rarity and varieties of the 1983 penny. While millions of these coins were produced, certain varieties and errors make specific 1983 pennies highly sought after by collectors. General mintage numbers. The 1983 penny was produced in large quantities, with over 7.7 billion pennies minted in Philadelphia and over 6.5 billion in Denver. Despite these high mintage numbers, there are several varieties and errors that add rarity and value to certain 1983 pennies. Rare varieties and errors. One of the most notable varieties is the 1983 double die reverse, DDR, penny. This error occurs when the coin is struck more than once with a slight misalignment, creating a doubled image of the design on the reverse side. This doubling is most noticeable in the inscriptions, such as United States of America, E pluribus unum, and 1 cent. Another sought-after variety is the 1983 copper penny. Although the U.S. Mint transitioned to zinc in 1982, a few 1983 pennies were mistakenly struck on leftover copper planchets. These rare copper 1983 pennies are highly valuable and sought after by collectors. Factors affecting rarity. The rarity of these varieties and errors is influenced by several factors, including the condition of the coin and the number of known examples. Coins in mint state or higher grades are rarer and more valuable than those that have been circulated extensively. Professional grading services like the Professional Coin Grading Service, PCGS, and the Numismatic Guarantee Corporation, NGC, provide a standardized way to assess a coin's condition and authenticity. Coins graded by these organizations often command higher prices due to the assurance of their quality and rarity. Collecting rare varieties. Collectors should be aware of what to look for when searching for rare varieties. Magnification tools and reference guides can help identify key features of valuable coins. Networking with other collectors and joining numismatic societies can also provide valuable insights and opportunities to acquire rare coins. Value assessment. Now, let's talk about the value of the 1983 penny. Determining the value of a coin involves several factors, including its condition, rarity, and demand among collectors. Grading and condition. Coins are graded on a scale from 1 to 70, with higher numbers indicating better condition. Uncirculated coins, those with a grade of 60 or higher, are generally more valuable than circulated ones. The presence of luster, sharpness of the strike, and lack of wear are key indicators of a coin's grade. Market trends. The value of 1983 pennies has shown a steady increase over the years, particularly for those in higher grades or with notable errors. Current market values vary, but a high-grade 1983 penny can fetch a significant amount at auction. Factors influencing the value include the coin's condition, rarity, and demand among collectors. Examples of recent sales and price ranges. Recent sales of high-grade 1983 pennies have shown a range of prices. For example, a 1983 double-die reverse penny in mint state can sell for anywhere from $100 to several $1,000s, depending on the grade. Coins with significant errors or in exceptionally high grades can fetch even higher prices, sometimes reaching into the tens of thousands. Recent auctions and sales. Recent auctions have seen notable sales of 1983 pennies, particularly those with rare errors or in exceptional condition. Auction houses like Heritage Auctions and Stack's Bowers frequently handle the sale of these coins, with some fetching thousands of dollars. Let's take a closer look at some high-profile auctions and notable sales. High-profile auctions. One of the most notable recent auctions was held by Heritage Auctions, where a 1983 double-die reverse penny in MS-67 condition sold for over $5,000. Another high-value transaction involved a 1983 copper penny, which fetched nearly $10,000 at auction. Record sales and notable high-value transactions. There have been several record sales for 1983 pennies in recent years. For example, a 1983 D penny with a high grade sold for over $2,500 at a Stack's Bowers event. These record sales highlight the ongoing interest and demand for rare pennies among collectors. Price fluctuations. Price fluctuations in the market can be influenced by various factors, including market demand, the discovery of new specimens, and the overall health of the numismatic market. Experts often weigh in on these trends, offering predictions and insights into future values.